Very good afternoon to all my dear children. So in today's English class, we are going to write some exercises in our English workbook. As I told you already that my book is old book, so the pages may vary. So I want you all to take a girl called Manu lesson in your workbook. Shall we all start? Yes. It's given like this here. A girl called Manu. A girl called Manu. Shall we all start? Here they have given play with words. Play with words. Match the columns to make these popular sayings. Okay? We might have heard these sayings in the sense like proverbs somewhere else. Okay, so we have to match the meanings. Okay, actually the first one already they have marked it. Every dark cloud has a silver lining. Okay, then too many cooks spoil the broth. So everyone matched. Too many cooks spoil the broth. Next, practice makes perfect. Then waste not, want not. Then a bad workman blames his tool. Okay, then two wrongs don't make a right. Okay, children? Yes? Okay. Now the next one is B. Fill in the missing letters to get the synonyms of the words in capitals. Okay. See here some 8 words they have given. All the words are given in capital letters. Okay. All these 8 words are given in capital letters. And we are going to, and in the right side, we are going to write the missing letters of this meanings, of these words meanings. Okay. First, attraction. Charm, CHARM, charm. Okay, ordinary. So what will be the answer? Usual. Okay, usual. U S U A L, usual. Next, admire. ADMIRE, admire. So admire. Praise. PRAISE, praise. Next, festive. Festive. Festive, merry. MERRY, merry. Next, chaos. Disorder. DISORDER, disorder. Next, capture. Capture, arrest. ARREST, arrest. Okay, next, summon. Call. CALL, call. Then fierce, violent. Fierce, violent. VIOLENT, violent. These are the meanings of these 8 words. So this is actually E. Okay. Next, use the dictionary to find these phrases under the correct guide words, then match them with their meanings. Okay, so actually I had found the meanings through dictionary already. We will just see the answer first. First one, have a ball. Have a ball means here some phrase they have given, and the right hand side meanings of this phrase we are going to match it. Okay. So have a ball means have a wonderful time. Have a wonderful time. Next, behind bars. That means behind bars means in prison. Next, stay clear. Stay clear means not go near a person or a place. Next, beyond doubt. Beyond doubt means absolutely sure. Next, a good few. A good few means, of course, a lot of many. Make an impression means have a strong effect on people. Okay, children, shall we move on to the next page? Yes. Now in the next page, grammar fun, activity D, complete these table with the correct forms of the verbs. So here in the left side, simple present tense they have given, and in the right side, simple past. So we have to write the correct tense. First one, marry, marry. So marry in simple past. Simple past means an action which took place in the past. Mudinju ponadu. Okay. So past tense for marry is married. M-A-R-R-I-E-D. Married. Next, past tense for surrender, surrendered. S-U-R-R-E-N-D-E-R-E-D. Surrendered. Okay. Then here past tense they have given emptied. Okay, what will be the present tense? Simple present, empty. E-M-P-T-Y, empty. Next, echo, echoed. E-C-H-O-E-D, echoed. Then occupy, occupy, occupied. O-C-C-U-P-I-E-D, occupied. Next, here received. Simple present for received is receive. R-E-C-E-I-V-E, receive. Next, simple past for post, posted. P-O-S-T-E-D, posted. Okay. So you can copy this. Next, activity E. Next is activity E. Rewrite these sentences in the past continuous tense. I already told you, no, past continuous tense means an action took place in the past for some time, right? Continuously. An action that took place in the past for some time continuously. That is said to be past continuous tense. First one, the author replied to the letters from her readers. So, shall we write the author? So, what will be the clue I told you? Was or were, verb plus ing, right? Shall we use the author? Was replying. The author was replying to the letters from her readers. Actually, I don't have place, so that's why I have written. Okay, next. So only thing you're going to change is was replying. Next, we flew kites all morning. So we were flying kites. We were flying kites. Okay, all morning. Next, third one. The students made charts for the exhibition. The students were making charts. The students were making charts for the exhibition. So I don't have place, so that's why I'm writing it down. Exhibition. Next, men and women sang merrily in the streets. So men and women were singing merrily in the streets. Okay, merrily in the streets. Okay, next, the kitten slept in the cool shade of the bushes. So the kittens were sleeping. The kittens were sleeping in the cool shade of the bushes. So you can just write all these things. Okay, so only 2-3 words you're going to just change. The author was replying. First one, the author was replying to the letters. See, only was and replying you're going to change. All the other things like to the letters from her readers and all, you're going to just copy from the question. We flew kites all morning. We were flying. That's all. Only were flying. The students made charts. The students were making. Only were making. Men and women sang. Men and women were singing. Then the kittens slept in the cool shade. The kittens were sleeping. Right? Okay. Shall we do the next one? F, activity F. Fill in the blanks with since or for. You all know when to use since and when to use for. Since, for at a specific time, you'll be using. And for a duration or period of time. First one, my dog has not eaten 2 days, they have given duration. For, F-O-R, for 2 days. Anil lived in Lahore for 2 years. It hasn't stopped raining since yesterday. Then, the taxi strike has been going on for 3 days. Next, Tuli has been going to the gym since last month. Okay, specific time, since. Then, we We have lived in Goa dash 1998 since. Okay, since. So you can copy this also. For since, for since. Shall we move to the next page? Okay. Complete this table with the correct forms of the verbs they have given. As we already done in our textbook, very easy. Simple past, past continuous and past perfect. Now meet, was meeting, and past perfect means an action that took place in the past already. And what is the next thing? Past perfect. An action took place in the past already, but not saying when it took place. Okay, that is said to be past perfect. So meet, here simple past meet, past continuous was meeting, past perfect had met. HAD, had met. Okay, HAD, had met. MET, met. Okay, next. Eat, past continuous was eating. Then, of course, in past perfect, had eaten. HAD, had eaten. Then next, write, past continuous was writing. Was writing. Past perfect had written. Had written. Next. Okay. Past continuous they have given was speaking. So what will be the simple past? Speak. SPEAK, speak, was speaking, and past perfect is had spoken. HAD, had spoken. SPOKEN, spoken. Okay, next. Past perfect they have given had forgotten. So what will be the simple past? Forget. Forget. So was forgetting. Past continuous is was forgetting. Okay, was forgetting. ING. Actually this is N and was forgetting. Okay, copy down it. Now the next thing they have given is writing fun. Write a paragraph about any book that you have read. Include these points in your paragraph. See, you have to write. See, you might have read many books, right? So you have to write any one book of it, any one book about it, and you can use all these clues. Sorry, not clues. You can use all these points to create paragraph. Actually, this is your homework. Mark it as homework and do it by yourself. I think you all understood. Thank you so much, children.